There are bridges and locks and moorings and docks when messing about on the river. There's a whirlpool and weir that you mustn't go near when messing about on the river. There are backwater places all hidden from view, and quaint little islands just waiting for you. So I'll leave you right now to cast off your bow when messing about on the river. So I'll leave you right now to cast off your bow